over 50 table games, thousands of slot machines, and it has the look of New York, downtown in the 40s, somewhere around there. If you look to the left right here, there is a hand sanitizer station, which is awesome during this pandemic. There's wipes, gloves, everything like that right when you walk in the door. So me and my mom, of course, are going to lather our hands down with some of this hand sanitizer and get headed into this amazing casino. I think to the left down below was some masks, some little generic ones. I'm actually surprised they weren't handing out New York masks. I think they did at the beginning when the first opening of the pandemic situation occurred, but now they're just handing out these little paper masks, which we had our own masks, of course. As you look straight forward, you will see the sports book in New York. And as you could tell, the architecture of the building by Gonzalez resembles downtown Manhattan. You got 48th and Crepe right there, good restaurant. To the left is Greenberg's Deli right there. Awesome sandwiches in there. Keep headed into the original look of the cobblestone downtown original New York. We got the Burger Bar straight forward. Gonzalez right there. Looks like they were closed at the time. We got Fulton Fish Company on the right side. We just passed that. And of course, like I said, Burger Bar and Grill coming straight forward. I believe that one was closed. It's on the left side. An ice cream joint on the right side right there. Also a little gift shop. A lot of New York memorabilia. Then we got Village Market coming up on the right here. And straight forward is Zumanity, the Cirque du Soleil. An awesome show. Obviously, that's closed right now. To the right here is the cashier. Obviously, it resembles the Chrysler building. We got the restrooms up there. We're actually going to flip around right here and go back towards the casino part. Like I said, it resembles downtown New York back in the 40s. Amazing structures. If you haven't been in New York in Las Vegas, it's definitely a sight to see. They got really good restaurants like I mentioned before. Like I said, right here is Greenberg's Deli. We're actually going to skip past that and go down this middle part right here. Looks like old houses, like old apartment buildings. Like I said, like downtown New York. We got bagels, espresso, all the good stuff right there. Greenwich Village is right there. Keep rolling along. And this right here is, I believe, the Italian Deli restaurant to the right side. We got the Soho shop right here. Little banner. Here's Syracuse Pizza. Me and Mom eat there quite often. It's not too bad. It's not the greatest pizza. Here's Chin Chin right here. But for the price for Syracuse, $10, you get a big slice of pizza and a beer. Isn't too bad. We got Aces coming up, and then we're going to head into the right here, which is another Italian restaurant. I've never tried this one. I don't believe it was open at the time, but I definitely wanted to try this one out sometime. Maybe next time I go to New York, I'll definitely check it out. On the right coming up is the whole restaurant. I don't think it was open at the time, to be honest, unless it opened later on. I know a lot of restaurants were opening later on in the day. We're gonna head up here. We got a security guard to the right. Kind of veered away from that. Went on the casino floor right here. Lots and lots of big slot machines. We got dancing drums coming up here on the right. Pretty cool game to play. Obviously Buffalo Gold, one of my favorites on the right there. There's the bar right there. Definitely have to check that one out. It's really, really cool in there. The flooring is really nice in here. It's a really warm feeling casino when you walk in the door right here. Electronic craps right here coming up on the right. Little sportsbook situation right there with a little roulette table. Firelink on the left side right there. As you head down the casino floor, you can see the massive Hershey's factory coming up on the left. Awesome, awesome place. You can buy candy bars literally the size of you. I kid you guys not. Another security guard. Don't really seem to care about the filming. Although some casinos are, different. You'll go in there and they don't really care, and then some, the minute you walk in, they freak out that you're filming. So I try to avoid the table games like I mentioned before, but we're going to go ahead and head up this escalator. There's some little eateries and shops up here. Obviously to the right side below the escalator, you see the restroom sign. That's always one of my biggest things I have to find when I go to the casino. Where's the restrooms? Where's the restrooms? Because certain casinos, like when you go into Treasure Island, there's like one restroom in the whole casino. And if you take one left turn, you're doing a circle around the whole place. But as you look to the left right there, New York pretzel. Awesome big pretzels with the gooey cheese and all that. New York Pizzeria right there. Houdini's Magic Shop to the left right there. We got Frozen Daiquiris to the right. Obviously that's closed. The Magic Store right there. We got another saloon up here to the right. We got Haagen-Dazs coming up on the right hand side right here too. I believe they were closed at the time. Then we got the Oxygen Bar coming up on the right side. They were open. So those long hangover nights, you can hit up some oxygen. It actually does help. I've actually done it before. There's a little gift shop to the right there. We're going to circle back around. Obviously, we're going to go by Haagen-Dazs. There's Coyote Ugly, the Bar and Dance Saloon that I talked about earlier. We got two awesome guests getting ready to check in the hotel. I've stayed here before. I do love the hotel. If you go on My Vegas, you can get a free comped night. I think it's 32,000 loyalty points, I do believe, which is a really, really good deal. I actually was going to stay there on this last trip, but they were all booked out. There you go, guys. We got Zoltar. If he wants to read your fortune, put in $1. He'll read your fortune. It was loud, too. As soon as I walked by, he was like, Zoltar, I see you, or something like that. It was really funny. Yeah, little shops upstairs. We got Cashman Crystals right there to the left, little watches and stuff like that. New York Pizzeria to the right there, and then a Starbucks coming up for all you coffee lovers. I almost grabbed a Starbucks. I don't believe that one was open. I know the one downstairs was open for sure. So, but I know some of these places were actually doing late starts. We got Smush and S'more right there, the Chocolate Factory, Chocolate World, Hershey's. I should have took you guys in here, but I did not on this trip. Maybe next time. If you guys do want me to go somewhere, go ahead and leave in the comments somewhere you want me to go check out, and we can check out it together. You can get massages right here to the right. It wasn't really that expensive. So they have everything you pretty much need upstairs as far as eateries, coffee, massages, oxygen bar, and of course candy. And who doesn't love candy? Now let's head down the escalator and let's go back down to the casino floor and check out some of these other parts. There's a chocolate bar coming up to the right side. They are open. It was kind of hard to find a lot of places open due to the pandemic and everything like that, but New York, 90% of the places were actually open inside the casino, which was completely amazing. They have this little horse racing game me and Mom got all hooked on here. I should have took you guys by there. There's the Tom's Urban sign to the left right there, little martini glass. Big old dancing drums to the right there. We got the money link to the right there. more slot machines, more gaming. And then of course I mentioned fire leak on the way into the right side right here. And then as you see on the sign to the left was the roller coaster. They do have a roller coaster. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that. The Wicked Wheel, we got the craps. And then right here is 9 Fine Irishmen. I actually did a review video of this restaurant, so definitely go check out that video. Pretty good restaurant. I actually had a buy one get one free comp on my Vegas slot game, so 2 entrees for the price of 1 was a really good deal. More big old flashy slot machines. I personally prefer the old school slot machines, but and then of course you got like the video poker to the right, video blackjack also to the right there, and then of course another dancing drums. That was a big machine in here, and then the huge buffalo to the left right there. I love the buffalo games, they're awesome. I'm hooked on the buffalo. There's a charging port for your phone right there if your phone gets low on battery life. A little shop to the right there. We got Swatch store to the right, also right there. A lot of cool watches in there. And then of course the Starbucks that I mentioned is coming up on the right hand side right here. To the left where these 2 people are is that old school buffalo. I like to play those machines a lot. Another little gift shop coming up to the right hand side right here. Got a lot of bears and t-shirts and all kinds of memorabilia, and also cheap beers in there. And then here's another restroom coming up right here, and then straight forward is Tom's Urban. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I personally have not tried it. Definitely on the bucket list. Now we're gonna head this way towards Gonzales again on the front side of it. Like I said, it was closed at the time, unfortunately, but here's a menu right here. We're gonna check out this menu. I heard it has really good Mexican food. I was kind of disappointed. I definitely wanted to try that out, but wasn't able to on this trip. That's the only thing that was holding me back with the whole pandemic, is a lot of things were closed. Like I said, most of the things were open in this place, but for the most part, a good majority of the casinos I went to, a lot of things were closed. And we're gonna head back down here. That's gonna be the end of it. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. If you want to know more about Vegas, definitely leave a comment and we'll get back to that. And we will see you guys later.